What's up, you guys? I just want to say that I missed you so freaking much. It's been a week. Let me give you a quick hug. It won't be awkward. Don't worry about it. Okay. There you go. Okay. See? Wasn't awkward. So this week's video is dedicated to international fans. I think most of your celebrity crushes or your idols, they mostly live in the US or in Canada or somewhere kind of far away from you. So it's really hard for you to meet. Some of these fans only speak a certain language. You know, maybe they don't speak English or maybe they don't speak Spanish, so they can't really interact with the idol, or they could a little bit, or they just don't get as much attention. I really hope you guys know that no matter where you're at or where you're from, I love you so much, and I really appreciate you so much. So you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be saying I love you in a lot of different languages while I show you guys random things from my room, so this video gets a little more like entertaining. I miss your language. I'm very sorry. Leave it in the comments. I want to say it, and I love you so much. And let's get started. Let's go. I love you. Te amo. Je t'aime. Te amo. Eu te amo. Jag älskar dig. Volim te. Ich liebe dich. Wo ani. Jag älskar dig. Kocham cię. Sięga po. Jag älskar dig. Miłuj cię I kocham cię. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I just want to say that I didn't even use Google Translate once. Right, Siri?
Sebastian, stop lying and tell everybody how you're using me for your video.
Okay, ignore that. Just forget about that. I didn't even use Google Translate once. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you did, make sure you give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe for videos every Fantastic Fridays at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, I would like you guys to comment down below. If I didn't say your language, let me know in the comments, and I will reply back saying your language, and I love you. I just can't fit every single language in this video. I hope you understand, but I love your country and language, and it's great. Yeah. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I just want to say that I will see your beautiful faces next Fantastic Friday. Bye!
Here we go, come on. Listen to me. Hey baby, even though I hate you, I wanna love you. And even though I can't forget you,